Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update, dear students, from DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. Yes, here in the career section of the DRDO, here you can see some direct walk-ins for the GRF, Junior Research Fellowship. Okay, so here you can see first of all, here the walk-in interview for the position of JRF or Research Associate at TBRL Chandigarh. Okay, the last date is 17th January 2025. Second is here walk-in interview for the Junior Research Fellowship JRF at the DIBER Haldwani, and last date is again here 17th January 2024. This is for the chemistry, this is for the electrical and the mechanical students. So let's check it out here the details. So when I'm coming to this one, first of all, I'm sure it is visible, bacho. You can see walk-in interview for the position of JRF Junior Research Fellowship at TBRL Chandigarh. Okay, so they are having here for the Junior Research Fellow JRF Mechanical Engineering. What is requirement? BE Tech in Mechanical Engineering is first division with valid NET or the GATE qualification. Or if you are having ME Tech, then only ME Tech in first division without GATE scorecard. You are eligible. Three vacancies are there. Date of interview direct walk-in is there on the 16th January. Okay, then next is JRF Electronics and Communication, BE Tech in Electronics and Telecommunication, Electronics and Communication Engineering in first division with valid GATE qualification, or MEM Tech in first division without GATE scorecard. Number of vacancies 2, and the date of walk-in is 17th January 2025. Okay, age they mention here maximum of 28 years on the date of the walk-in interview, or if you are from SC/ST category then 5-year relaxation, or for OBC this is 3-year relaxation. Monthly stipend is rupees 37,000 okay, plus HRA, and this tenure is initially for the period of 2 year. Further extension and upgradation as SRF will be governed as per the government rule, but minimum 2 year or not more than 5 year they mention here. So term they mention here Terminal Ballistic Research Lab TBRL Sector 30 Chandigarh. Okay, they mention some more informations also which you need to carry. First one, second one is here again you can see this is for the DRDO Haldwani, the Defense Institute of Bioenergy Research. Okay, so they are having electrical engineering, number of post 2, graduate degree in electrical engineering or first division from recognized university with valid GATE scorecard. Okay, and post graduation without GATE scorecard is okay. So if you are from electronics and electrical with communication, electrical power system, these are essential qualification. Okay, equivalent. Then in the chemistry also they required. Mode of selection direct walk-in interview at Haldwani on the 17th January. JRF will be paid rupees same 37,000 plus HRA as a stipend. Okay. The minimum of the 2 year, and based on the performance, it may be extended for the third and the fourth year also. Age not extended means not more than the 28 year for the general category students. For more updates, you can directly contact them, bacho. Okay. So these are the updates which we earlier also cover on our YouTube channel. So if you are looking for the JRF, if you are having interest in the research fellowship program, then surely guys you can go there according to your branch. You can check it out. This is the official website. Here you can see time to time, okay, more updates also. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel for more such type of updates. Thank you.